So we got this washroom that's backed up. We're also going to be doing a video inspection today. It's backed up a few times in the last month, I believe. So we're going to suck out all the water and then pull the toilet and snake it and then video.
On the toilet or
on the toilet? Yeah. So I got the toilet off. So now I'm going to snake it to clear it. And then I'm going to video it. Can you do me a favor? Can you flush your toilet? Right. Yeah. What's that? Oh. Alright, I see it there.
I have a different plunger if you want.
This black one here?
No, same one, but no.
This one will work. Thank you. I'm a company they call in.
Okay. Have you ever been downstairs?
Downstairs?
Yeah, like where the pipes connect.
No. No, it should be just in the. If I'm not mistaken, I could be completely wrong though, but I think it just runs through the ceiling of the basement.
Really?
I think. But I'm gonna.
Go to the basement. You won't find the pipe.
If it's in the ceiling, no, we don't. They won't see anything unless we have access to the ceiling. Unless it's not a drop. Like if it's not a drop ceiling, so where you can actually remove the tiles, then nothing will show up. But
Okay, so like the problem that keeps happening, what if it might be the pipe that connects downstairs?
I'm gonna be able to see with the camera.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, and don't mind the neighbors. They make a lot of noise upstairs.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah. I don't know if they start doing that on purpose.
Oh, really, eh? Gotta. I've lived in buildings and people, for whatever reason, if they got their own things, it's like they know they're doing it and they're doing it on purpose. But no, I'm good. I can't hear them, so even if I can, that's part of the job.
It's all good now.
I did my job right.
I never said
I
nothing.
did it right last time
I'm
too.
just asking if it's good now.
I'm just joking.
Okay. What causes the choke up? The wash tub or this both sides?
Everything.
Oh.
It's all connected, right?
That's why. Because when this was running out, it's like it was running through there and coming on the floor. So
Yeah.
I realized it connect together.
So, give a good sanitize, and you'll be good until we deal with, when they decide when they want to fix it. So that's basically where we're at now.
Thank you.
No problem.
Turn off the fire.
Turn it off?
Yeah, you can.
Are we wasting water?
I don't know.
No. You want to know why we're not wasting water? Do you want me to tell you?